Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly you have to put away back cover from it, just like this. And here you have SD card slot, so you just put your SD card here. Okay, so you have both slots at the same time. You have one for SD card and other for SIM 1. So let's firstly insert our SIM card like this, and then let's insert our SD card like this. And now, as you can see, why it doesn't require pin code to my SIM card. So as you can see, it immediately found my SD card, but it it says that SD card corrupted. Okay, let's try SIM card slot 2. Maybe this slot is just broken. So let's try slot 2. And what? And for some reason it still doesn't read my SIM card. I guess I should restart the phone now. And after that it should read SIM card. So, okay, as you can see now it requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SD card is also found by this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.